The industry 4.0 and the lean and in general manufacturing is an extremely large canvas. So we'll start with essentially the challenges. We've heard a lot about continuous improvement. Initially, we start with the problem statements. The data resides in different systems. This is not out of a specific reason. It's just that investments into applications or systems happen on a need basis. When it comes time to bring it all onto a common platform, that's where the disconnected data issue starts popping up. There's an adoption challenge, and leading to the continual usage of the tools is also another problem statement. So tackling this, the solution that ConnectFacts is trying to position as is to essentially tackle the problem 1:1. And then there's the daily workflows, which is the way the teams operate on a day-to-day basis, connecting those workflows, and then also creating an environment of managing the performance on a day-to-day basis. So as a product, we've envisioned three broad functional areas, and then there's overall 8 products or modules within it, and these address the different levels in the organization. ConnectFacts being unique. Overall, the goal is to reduce the cost of ownership, increase the rollout time, and improve adoption and sustain adoption. So generally, teams across the manufacturing shop floor, they meet on a regular basis, they review KPIs, they discuss, they make decisions, they take actions. The next level of people who perform the day-to-day activities, and then all of those should be for the same set of equipment or the factory floor common context. And this loop is a continuous loop. By digitizing the workflows, our intent is to bring in 3 modules on the top, which we call the connected performance, manufacturing KPIs, which is from the monitor, and do a combined KRA of the different roles that exist in the organization. So this is the people level performance. This we call Gemba, which is the workplace. And then typically manufacturing shop floors across the world would have some of these workflows. One is to respond to immediate issues, which is a short interval control type situation. There is the cross-department coordination, which is more for on-demand services. And then to create a reliable shop floor, which is where you have maintenance management and predictive and preventive checklists and those types of practices. And obviously, with all these different equipment in place, different processes in place, as Neb had also mentioned, usually there's a skill set shortage. So even if all the skills are available, there may be somebody in shift, somebody may not be in shift. So the allocator is to help the supervisor essentially assign the right work and therefore utilize the right skill set for the right type of work. These 7 modules essentially capture the different pieces that make the teams work, and they're built on the common data context. So this tackles the silo part, and it tackles it in 3 ways. There are digital form equivalents, where there are external applications such as VRPs, there's a need for custom integration, and where there is sensorization or IIoT, then there's a OT gateway. Final outcomes: bring data to the common shop floor, build specific dashboards for each industry, digitize the key workflows, help people to monitor their performance and the manufacturing operation performance, and eventually drive decision making. So the last piece are all the different pieces of the digitization that ConnectFacts is looking to address industry by industry, template by template.